Hi, I'm David. Some people know me as Seb1. Today in this Skillshare class, we're going to be looking at something that may essentially upgrade your productions, whether it be at home, trying to set up something, or if you're already a professional, getting an unusual but high quality B-side or B-roll camera. Now, in today's day and age, especially if you're not someone who has access to professional level equipment, it may be difficult to get quality footage. As a matter of fact, this video and this Skillshare class that you're about to see was shot on an iPhone. But what's so special about that, you might ask? I could have just recorded this with the camera app and then imported the videos into the computer, edited and put the Skillshare class. Well, obviously the applications for this today and this Skillshare class are live streaming. So let's just quickly go over the basics of how a proper capture path in the traditional sense would work. You would have a camera and you would have a cable. Now this cable could be SDI, HDMI, it could even be USB if you're using a webcam. Now, if you're using a real camera that does HDMI or SDI, you would most likely have purchased a capture card, and that then plugs into the computer through USB or Thunderbolt. If you've purchased a webcam, you would then connect the webcam to the computer through USB and install the drivers, and that would be your webcam. Now, for some people, we might not want to spend the money on extra equipment. For other people, running cables may not necessarily be convenient. This Skillshare class will show you how to turn your iPhone into an up to 4K capable video camera with a wireless connection. Now, I know a lot of the professionals have always said Wi-Fi isn't reliable, why connections are more reliable, and also many professionals would never put their reputation on the line using Wi-Fi in a production environment with too many variables. Well, before we talk about how this all works, what you'll need, and how to get it all working, here is a 10-minute video which you're free to watch that was a director's cut trailer of a real-time, non-stop, 4-hour concert, live streamed and shot and streamed only with iPhones. Welcome to my Skillshare class.